Are you still suffering from shoulder pain after trying everything? Therapy, injections, medications? And now they're suggesting surgery? Hold on a second. What if surgery isn't your only option? Before you make the leap to surgery, let's stop and think. What if your body could heal itself with a groundbreaking treatment that's less invasive? Surgery is often recommended, but it comes with serious downsides, painful recovery, long downtime, and potential complications. But at Life-Altering Stem Cell Therapy Institute, an American-owned and operated facility, there's another option: regenerative stem cell therapy.
Here at the Life-Altering Stem Cell Therapy Institute, we use mesenchymal stem cells derived from Wharton's jelly in the umbilical cord. These MSCs are uniquely powerful when it comes to reducing inflammation and promoting natural tissue repair.
Stem cell therapy is a cutting-edge treatment that can repair the root cause of your shoulder pain, whether it's arthritis, rotator cuff tears, or other injuries, without invasive surgery. These mesenchymal stem cells are sourced from Wharton's jelly, which is found in the umbilical cord, and they are known for their incredible ability to heal damaged tissues, whether it's cartilage, tendons, or muscle. Mesenchymal stem cells can help by reducing inflammation, promoting tissue regeneration, and accelerating healing naturally. Imagine getting back to the activities you love, whether it's playing sports, working out, or just picking up your kids, without months of painful post-surgery recovery. One of the main benefits of stem cell therapy is that it's a minimally invasive treatment that promotes the body's natural healing process. This therapy even has a shorter recovery time compared with surgery.
How long does it take to feel the results? And is it really that effective?
That's a great question. Many patients start seeing results within weeks, and because these MSCs are so powerful at reducing inflammation and repairing tissue, the improvements can last. It's not an overnight solution, but it's a long-term fix without surgery.
Now, think about it. Would you rather go through months of recovery after surgery, or use your body's natural healing abilities and get back to normal life quicker?
The choice is in your hands. Keep living with pain, face a long road of surgery, or explore stem cell therapy at Life-Altering Stem Cell Therapy Institute. The best part? It's American-owned and operated, with experts ready to help you find the best solution for your shoulder pain. You don't have to settle for surgery. Discover how your body's own cells can help you heal naturally. Contact the Life-Altering Stem Cell Therapy Institute today and schedule a consultation.